Hi friends, welcome you on the podcast today. Wish you all a very happy and a prosperous new year. So here's a super valuable message with great insights to re-establish your right to victory and to restore a deep devotion to mastery. Well, 2017 is just done. Now you are blessed with a new chance at a better life. That's what's so great about a new year. No matter whatever happened in the past, you always have the right to make new choices to get those new results. So today, I'll walk you through 4 major ways to become the best version of yourself this new year. And let me tell you, the secret is in the word itself, best. Be proactive, educate yourself, self-discipline and take a to a giver attitude. So let's go through it then, one by one. The first one is be proactive. Friends, you have to push yourself to become the person you are destined to become. If you are looking forward for the results that you never got before, then you should also be willing to do things that you have never done before. Great people have said, just moving forward doesn't mean that you are being proactive. Then what's it? It's just taking yourself out of all the distractions at least for 2 hours daily and concentrate on the subject that you want to master, the goal that you want to accomplish, or the project that you want to complete. And that's it. You will be moving the needle of productivity in your field each day. Now the second method is educating yourself. Watch out for the successful people around you. They use their time right and they are lifetime learners. They commit to educating their mind each day with new things. Now that doesn't mean filling up your mind with information or sitting and studying. But there are various ways you can do it. Talk to more smarter people around you and get to know new facts. Be open-minded to new ideas and new opinions. Utilize the audiobooks and also the self-help YouTube channels. Learn a new word each week. These are the signs of being in the process of becoming the best version of yourself. Now the third way is self-discipline. Keeping commitments through deadlines to promises. We all have struggled to become that disciplined. We set a new habit which we know will improve our work and health, but we don't stick on to it. Until and unless we do things regularly and continuously, we can never get the momentum to grow towards what actually we want. If you are not in discipline, that just means that you are not being inspired by your goals. And now you know what you have to do on. You have to focus upon setting your goals right, and then you become more disciplined. Now the last way is take a to a giver attitude. Friends, the best version of oneself knows if you are looking forward to influence people around you to reward you, then you have to deliver value. For more money, give more value. To achieve more, you have to help more. So people, be generous, share your knowledge, because always the best givers are the best achievers. We have our own reasons for not finishing the lines. But the question is, do we actually want to win? And just because you could not accomplish your heroic ambitions last year doesn't mean that they won't come true this year. Just dare a little more, dream a little higher and execute a little better. And you will experience revolution of transformation in the new months coming ahead. And as I said, the secret is in the word itself, best. So let's progress and start this new year together. With great enthusiasm and encouragement, I will see you again. Till then, stay inspired, stay motivated and master yourself.